Hey everyone, ever had your TV suddenly go dark while the sound keeps playing? It's a frustrating problem, but don't panic. Today, we're going to walk you through some simple, tool-free troubleshooting steps to get your TV back on track. This guide covers a range of common issues, from a blank screen to a bad picture. First, if you're dealing with a blank screen, but you still have sound, it's often a problem with the TV's backlight. For both LCD and DLP TVs, a soft reset can often fix this. Simply press and hold the power button on your remote until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. This easy step can resolve most common issues. If that doesn't work for an LCD TV, you can use the flashlight test. Shine a bright flashlight on the screen at an angle in a dark room. If you can see a faint image, your backlight is out, and the issue is likely a faulty inverter or LED modules. Next, let's look at more specific problems. If your TV has distorted colors or a solarized image, this is often a sign of a bad timing control board. If you're seeing vertical lines or ghosting, the problem is most likely with the LCD panel itself. These are typically more complex issues. Another common issue, particularly with older Samsung TVs, is the TV not responding to buttons or having no standby light. This is often caused by faulty capacitors on the power supply board. It's a well-known issue and a good starting point for your diagnosis. Finally, remember that the best way to handle these issues is to diagnose them correctly. For most problems, you can find a repair service to fix them, but for things like a cracked screen, it's often not worth the repair. In those cases, you can sell the internal components to help recover some of the cost. Hopefully, these tips help you solve your TV troubles.